This is where most traders fall apart. Not because they don't know enough, because they don't have a plan. They jump from trade to trade, idea to idea, strategy to strategy. I see people going long, going short, trying options, trying crypto, trying futures, trying Forex. Like they never learn one strategy, so they think the next strategy is better. So with nothing to keep that consistent, but this ends today, because in this video, we're taking everything you've learned and turning it into something real and actionable, a written trading plan. Not in your head, not something you kind of follow, written, printed, sitting on next to your screen, because a plan you can see is a plan you can follow. And as you build this, make sure to hit that link below. Grab that free trading workbook and come back, because this is where you can actually structure your plan, your setups, your rules, and your routine. So you're not starting from scratch every day, because this is the difference between knowing and actually executing. Now, why does a written trade plan beat every other type of form of preparation? This is something that really changed everything for me. I'm kind of known as the trade plan guy. And the reason I am is because it was one of the most monumental things that got me to profitability, instead of just 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 1 step forward, 2 step back. It was just constantly making money, giving it all back, making money, giving it all back, losing money. It was this just nonstop roller coaster. But once I actually started writing it down and having the discipline to follow that plan, everything changed. It stripped out the emotion, stripped out the randomness. Like I had to execute that plan. So let's talk through it. Section 1 is the setup. What are you trading? Now keep in mind, I'm going to walk you through all this. Go to that worksheet. It's really simple. It might sound like a lot. I used to do this all on an index card. Every trade had an index card, a 3x5 card. All the information was there. Half the time, it was only half the card. I mean, we're not talking about a book here, but it's something that we can act upon. And then, even more important, review after the trade. So right off the bat, what's the setup? Is it an RCT? Is it a dip and rip? Is it a morning panic dip buy? Is it a week open ready green? Is it an afternoon VWAP hold? Is it a dollar cross play? Is it a swing trade? Is it, any of these setups? Every pattern you trade should have a named setup. We've gone through all of them in this course, but maybe new patterns appear. Maybe you trade some different patterns than I trade. Everything should have a named setup so that you can track the performance, okay? So whether it's an acronym like RCT or it's a name setup, everything should be able to have basically a database tag of what you were trading. Next, risk rules, okay? How much am I risking per this trade? How many shares am I buying? How many, what is my entry, exit, etc.? What am I going to actually do with this stock? Where am I buying? Where am I selling? Where am I stopping out if it goes against me? And then where am I taking profits? Next, this kind of goes into journal, but you can fit it on there as well. What was my routine? Did I do my due diligence? Was I trading pre-market, midday, post-market? Did I run my scans? Did I read the news? Did I look at the float? Did I look at the volume? Did I check those boxes to make sure I was in a good trade versus just throwing something at the wall and hoping it sticks? Next, I want you to think about your goals. Now, when I say goals, avoid profit goals. That gets a lot of people in trouble. You might have a small account and be up a couple $100 on the day. That's a great day. But if you have these numbers in your head that you want to hit, instead of, let's say you have a $500 account. You just got started and you're up $100 on the day. That's a great day. But that's a great day in the beginning, okay? But maybe you've got this, number in your head of I want to make $500 a day. So now instead of celebrating that very good day, you go back to the well. You start trading more. And then all of a sudden, instead of being up $100 on a $500 account in one day, which is a good day, now you're down $100. You're demoralized. You broke the process. I want you to always focus on the process not dollar goals. Because as we talked in some of the lessons, losing trades aren't bad. Like, you may have a trade that you bought, you stopped out, and that stock dropped another 50% after you stopped out, and you took a good loss. Hey man, in my book, that's a great trade. Because if before this course, you probably wouldn't have took that small loss and stopped out, and you'd still be holding down 50%, and now you're making all the mistakes of hoping and holding and adding to losers. Focus on the process, not dollar goals. Then, if you're doing this every single trade, you have something to review at the end of the day and every weekend. Sometimes people will hear study. You know, I say it a lot. But the big mistake people make is they never have any data to actually study. I want you to think about this. Think about your trading as kind of a science experiment. I'm sure all of you know and understand the scientific method. You think of the scientific method. You do an experiment, you track the results. Maybe you got the results you expected, maybe you didn't. Then you take those results, you do another experiment, and you're basically building knowledge. But if you never do an experiment, AKA a trade, and have any data from it, now it's a day later and you don't even remember what the setup you traded was. You don't know the time of day. You don't even know why you traded it. So you have nothing to study. You need to be constantly logging data and constantly reviewing that. I do it every day and every week, but no data, no results to learn from. Write everything down. Be maniacal about it. So if you finish this course with a written plan in your hand, oh my goodness, you're ahead of 99% of people, okay? I've been trading 20 plus years. I've been mentoring traders for over 10. Nobody does this. Now, my hope is that this course will change that for each and every one of you. People will come to me and they're like, Tim, I'm losing money. How do I fix it? I'm like, well, show me some of your trades. Show me some of your plans. Well, they got nothing. They literally have nothing. I'm like, well, how am I supposed to help you? And how are you supposed to help yourself if you don't even remember what you traded last week, why you traded it, where you bought, where you sold? People think they'll keep it in their head, but they won't. In the final video, we're going to talk about what comes next, how to keep improving, stay consistent, and turn this into a real skill. That's where the journey officially begins.